Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this sumptuous fried rice. Inside the boiling water, I will add my rice because I want to parboil it to remove some starch from it, but you don't need to parboil your rice. Then I will allow this to cook for 5 minutes. Then I will strain out the water. After 5 minutes, strain it out. Then add very cold water to stop the cooking process. You don't need to do this. You can just wash your rice and start cooking it immediately. But I love to remove some starch from the rice. Inside another pot, I'll be adding the chicken stock. You can use meat stock or any other stock you prefer. Then I will add back the rice and the meat stock or the chicken stock. I will make sure the water is to the level of the rice. Don't add too much water because fried rice doesn't need to be soft, like too much soft. Then add a little bit of salt, add some thyme. I will grate in some nutmeg as well. I love nutmeg a lot in my rice, especially when it's fried rice, chicken stock, or coconut rice, even jollof rice. Then I will also be adding some chicken seasoning to it. Then I will add more curry powder because I want the color to be popping. Then I will be adding garlic and ginger paste. Then I give this a stir. You can notice I did not add salt to this because the chicken stock already has some salt and seasoning. I don't want to put a lot of salt to this, and I've already added another chicken seasoning, which is okay. Then I will cover the pot and allow the water to dry up. Inside another pot or pan, I add cooking oil and some butter or margarine. I will allow it to heat up. Then I will add cooked liver. This liver have been cooked the same time I cooked the chicken stock. So I will be adding the liver. I will fry it for some minutes. I'm just checking the rice to know if it's ready, but it still has a little bit of water. So over to the liver. After a minute, I will add the scampi or shrimps. Then I will stir it together with the liver and fry for at least 3 minutes. Then after that, I'll be introducing the onion now. I love a lot of onion in my fried rice. And I love to use the pink onion in my fried rice because it will make your rice to stand out and have that popping color. Then I will keep giving this a stir, saute for at least a minute or thereabouts till the onion is pale in color. Then I will add another seasoning cube or seasoning powder. Follow it up with some thyme. Then stir to make sure that it's not burning and it is fried evenly, just like so. Please give this video a thumbs up and share my video. And let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. I love adding kidney beans to my fried rice because it's healthy and it will make the color to stand out. So after that, I'll be introducing the vegetables, and for that I'm using some carrots, some peas, and sweet corn. Add some salt to it as well. Then I will also be adding more curry powder because why not? We are making fried rice and we want the color to be popping yellow. Then I'll give this a stir again to make sure that everything is fried evenly and it is well cooked. Then I keep on stirring for at least 3 to 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook it or over fry it, just a little bit so that it doesn't go bad easily, because if it's not well done, it will go bad easily. Then once the rice is ready, once the water has dried up, I will be introducing the vegetables back to the pot of rice. Then once I'm done doing that, I will keep on stirring it and frying it inside this pot, just like so. I will stir this and fry for at least more 5 minutes because we want the rice to be also fried. So I will just keep on stirring it. Don't leave it because if you leave it, it will burn. So just keep on stirring it just like so. And by this time around, you can as well test for salt. And if you need to add salt, you can add it now that it is still on the heat so that the salt will be cooked as well. But yeah, I don't need to add any other salt. Everything is okay with the rice. The taste is so yummy, so sumptuous. And please guys, give this video a thumbs up, share out the video and leave your comments below. Bye and see you in my next one.